I'm gonna take this headache rack off. I don't have much daylight left, but it's the coolest time of the day besides in the morning. So let's go with it. While I'm working on this, I'll give you guys a little bit of an update on the channel, how well we're doing, and talk about the truck and what our plans are for it. So anyways, yeah, the channel's doing great so far after getting this truck. I've been neglecting this channel for years now. I used to have just cruise content on it. Did a little bit of trucking stuff last year, and then I made this purchase just a few weeks ago, really, and so I'm doing just a little bit at a time. If you missed the last video, I was able to get this thing going. And it's like, just draining the gas out, and so it's so I parked it here, and I ain't touched it this week until now. And figured I'd give you guys updates on how this thing's going and how the progress is. And again, I wanted to take this headache rack off just for the fact that now I don't necessarily want it on here, and because it's not a ranch truck anymore, and I mean, it's good for that, but it's not really even a good looking headache rack. And so anyway, so I'm just going to take this thing off, and I don't know, maybe sell it on Facebook or something. Maybe I don't know if anyone would want something like this, to be totally honest. Where are you at? Where are you at? So anyway, so we're just this one's a little bit of an odd angle. Here we go. So yeah, but so far I'm enjoying it. My next things that I'm wanting to do with the truck, I may have company coming over this weekend, and so I probably won't be able to do much. And the next weekend I have a ham fest. I may record that. I don't know if I'm going to record that, put that on this channel. I'm going to get a table and promote Bonehead Truckers on there, just for the fact because I can, and because I just enjoy it. And yeah, so I'm not sure. And so this next couple of weeks, I'm not sure if I'm going to get out here to change the spark plugs. Now I could do it during the week. The spark plugs ain't a big deal. Not hard at all. Especially an old truck like this, everything's easy to get to, and everything's manageable. And so there we go. We got one side off pretty much. But I need to change the brakes. This thing's not legal to get out on the highway yet. So because we don't have it registered yet, and but here so I got some time to get the stuff done. That way I can go and get this thing ready to go and hit the road. All right, so we got that side off, and get this one off, and we'll take the whole thing off. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this thing out on the highway. A few things I need to do first. Let's get this one off first. There we go. I need to get the oil changed. I need to change the spark plugs. Change the brakes. I don't feel comfortable with the brakes at all. Maybe I'm just used to the new vehicles But this is like, man, I'm pushing that brake pedal down, and that's just driving slow. I can't imagine getting up there to highway speed and then having to, you know, deal with that. So, yeah, get the brakes. I'll tell you the difference between these things, right, is the new vehicles, like, you know, like my red truck, it's a 2021, and my my black truck is a 2022. Obviously 40 years newer. This is 40 years older than those, and they just drive different, and you forget that. You drive these newer vehicles and you forget how these old trucks are made and all that. Man, I could do everything right here. Where those new trucks, I'm taking them into the shop. Get the oil change into the shop, spark plugs in the shop, brakes in the shop. But this, all right here in the underneath the shade tree. I guess that's what I am now, a shade tree mechanic. I tell you what, talking about YouTube and how this thing is kind of working, I haven't really looked at the analytics to see where the views are coming from, if they're from subscribers or people are searching up the truck. But I mean, we're getting a few hundred views. I didn't expect to get thousands. Now, the first video I made when I first got the truck, I shared it on my channel. And I don't think I shared any other ones on my channel. Maybe I did, I'm not for sure. And I'm still getting a few hundred views without sharing them on the Bonehead Truckers channel. I understand it's a completely different audience, and so it's like, you know, you car and truck guys, if you're interested in this is what I'm doing. But there we go. Look there. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't as hard as what I thought. I thought maybe the, I don't know how long those bolts have been in there, but judging from the bolts, they're not really rusty. As a matter of fact, right there underneath the head, still got a lot of color to it, not rust. So I would say that this has not been on this truck for very long. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or what have you, but probably get rid of it, sell it on Facebook for 20 bucks, 40 bucks, hoping to get 20. Or I'll just give it away if I can't get 20 bucks out of it. But yeah, so now without this headache rack on here, now look at this thing. Now you could see the back glass, you know. I think it'll improve the looks on it. I'm not a fan of the whole ranch truck look as far as these trucks go. A headache rack on a truck, it just really depends, you know. I've never had a headache rack on my truck, on my pickup trucks, but I've seen some guys that put them on their trucks and they look really good, especially when they put lights on them and antennas and whatnot. But you know, obviously when people haul stuff and this glass is like right here, it makes a difference. But I don't plan on hauling anything with it, and I'm definitely going to be just driving it around. So anyway, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about the future of this channel here, because it's like once I like start working on the cosmetics of this thing and start, you know, thinking about a paint job, you know, getting a new seat, working on the interior. The interior probably needs the most work first. If I could get the interior, then that's probably what I'll work on. I'll work on little things outside, like maybe replacing the front bumper. or I mean the back bumper. The front bumper has the lights in it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to just paint over that, because the front bumper is not in bad shape at all. And but it has the lights on it. So if I get another bumper, it has to have a place for the lights, unless I put them in the grill. The grill's going to need replaced. It's kind of broken. This trimming, I don't like the trimming on here, and I've been thinking about this. Now, my original thought is to have this truck yellow and black, like the yellow on the bottom, or black on the bottom, yellow in the middle, and the top be black again. I'm really thinking about making this all yellow, but then it looks like a construction truck. I don't want it to look like a construction truck. That's my thing. So it'd have to, I don't know, just because the interior is the way it is, or I just change it all together, change it to red, you know, or something, or black or blue or something like that, some weird color. I don't want to do too many weird colors. My whole point of this is to just restore it. You know, I'm not going to race it. It doesn't have the motor to race. It's got a 6-cylinder in it, and but I'm wanting to just fix it up and drive it around town, go to car shows. So yeah, I don't plan on making any money off this thing, but other than right here on YouTube, you know, monetizing these videos and then using the money that this channel generates to you know, put that back in. Like I just looked to see how much this channel is bringing in. Right now it's right around $45. It's been a dormant channel. I have made like $1,000 off this channel. Not bad, right? But yeah, we're making about, you know, we're making a little bit more now that we're posting, because it was in the 30s, 20s and 30s, but now that we've posted these videos, I looked, it's 45 to 50 bucks. So like, so this next month I could say, okay, I'll take $50 and then put it into something, you know, and say the next month I make $100. Maybe I'll buy a seat, a brand new seat, because that's what I'm gonna get, a whole new seat for it. I know I could go and reupholster it, or whatever you call that. Man, that's just too much work. Let me just go and just get another seat. So do that. I'm not sure how I feel about the kind of, you know, the cloth, you know, I kind of want some leather. What else? Especially being that, you know, water may get into it and things of that nature. But yeah, so it depends on you guys watching the videos and me putting out the content. I have to put out the content, that's for sure. You know, but yeah, so this is going to be kind of a YouTube funding project. Oh, by the way, if you're a fan of this channel and you are into cruising, and maybe you see my other cruising content on here, I will be vlogging a cruise next month, or I say next month, oh, it's almost next month. In September, we have a back-to-back cruise in September. Looking forward to that one. So, and again, next weekend, next couple of weeks, like this weekend, we got some stuff like family coming over. Then the next week we have a ham fest, and then I don't have anything planned. Now, do I have to work on these you know, on this truck only on the weekends? No. It's like now, it's Tuesday. I don't need to work, you know. But I mean, the last couple of weeks I've spent weekends on it, right? Like one Saturday I was cleaning out the cab. This past Saturday I got the gas out. It is going to be a slow project. It's not going to happen overnight. But we are going to do it. Looking forward to it. Main thing is, again, is getting this thing on the road, getting this thing up and running safely. I want to make sure my brakes work. All right, that's what it looks like now. Pretty cool, huh? I think. And there's a headache rack right there. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching again. And yeah, I've been hey, it's my, maybe this is my midlife crisis. I don't know. I think it is. All right, guys. Y'all take care. Bonehead Truckers, we gone. I didn't know that's not how we say here. What we say on here? 73? That's old school. I gotta think of something else to say, or just bye. Just do bye. Just bye. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh, hit the like and subscribe and do all that YouTube stuff.